Oh man, snow. Look at all this freaking snow. How did we get here? How did we get in all this snow? Are we crazy? Who knows? But if you check out this episode of The Trucker's Table, you're gonna find out. So let's get it started.
Robbie's got a gold watch. Don't seem like a whole lot after 30 years of driving up and down the interstate. But Robbie's had a good life, and Robbie's got a good wife.
Woo, boy. All right, we did our dropping hook. Now we're heading out. Oh, gotta get out here and get on the big road. Head on up to Plymouth, Minnesota. Ought to be fun, fun, fun. Every day takes the snowboard away. Yeah, it's gonna be cold. 2 degrees. That's all right. We'll survive. I will survive. So we'll see. Man, I wish this rain would go away, man. I hate this wet weather. Yeah, it's not too heavy of a load. And so we're loaded up. Although I am surprised my airbag is showing full. A lot of pressure. Nice neighborhood up here in DeKalb. Let me look at the old bills. I've never had a load of tires that was this heavy before. Alright, well it says 26,000. Maybe most of it's loaded in the nose, that's why it's so heavy. But we're good on our way, we should be good. Alright, we gotta hang a left at the red light and get over to get on the big road. Alright, 80, 80, 80, 80, 88. Damn, look at that car. I wonder if that was that Bumblebee car. Alright. We're going west, east. What are we doing? We're going towards Rock Island? Alright, Rock Island it is. I don't know if we're running over and jumping on I-35 maybe, or I-39. I'm not sure. Maybe it's 39. Yep, going over getting on I-39 and going north. I wish we could catch up with our buddy Jonathan up there in Wisconsin. He's been feeling a little bit under the weather lately. And I hope he's doing better. I saw a little short video he put out where somebody backed into his truck and did it up the hood and everything on it. I don't know if he ever got that fixed or not. Yeah. Oh, John, he's a good old fella. He's over there. See, his YouTube channel is Trucker for Life. I'll put his stuff up before in my videos. Good old fella. He was over here at Landstar for a short while. And last I heard, he was at Light Truck. Over there with the Sword. And Jeffrey Light. Let's see, who else is over at Light Truck? should have, as soon as I heard that radio, I should have, bam, hung up and called right in. I missed that one. Some of these guys, man, they're just sitting there, refresh. And as soon as it pops up, bam, they hit it and start calling. So, I'm driving, so I can't really sit here and just refresh. You know, I have to wait till I get the alert call, you know, and then I call. But any old way, let's see if we can't get on over to, where are we going? Where are we going? Oh, over to I-39, going north. So, y'all get back, enjoy some of this wet, nasty weather we're having. I hope the windshield wipers aren't making you dizzy. Alrighty, let's get on down the road.
Well, I pulled out of Pittsburgh, rolling down an eastern seaboard. I got my diesel wound up and she's running like never before. There's a speed zone head on my right, but I don't see a cop in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight.
I got 10 forward gears and a Georgia overdrive. I'm passing little white lines and my eyes are open wide. Just past a Jimmy and a white, I've been passing everything in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight.
But it seems like a month since I kissed my baby goodbye. I could have a lot of women, but I'm not like a some of the guys. I could find one to hold me tight, but I could never make believe it's all right. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it all right. Out of 10.
The ICC is a checking on down the line. I'm a little overweight and my logbook's way behind.
Nothing bothers me tonight. I can dodge all the scales all right. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Well, my rig's a little old, but that don't mean she's slow. There's a flame from a stack and that smoke's a blowing black as coal. My hometown's coming in sight. If you think I'm happy, you're right. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it all tonight.
6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight.
Some folks are born made to wave the flag. hard every day. I get tired on the weekend, but after I draw my pay, I go back to work. Come Monday morning, I'm right back with the crew. I might drink a little bit in the evening, sing a little bit of these working man blues. So, kid.
Drink a little beer at ease, cry a little bit of these working man blues. Oh, play it, stop.
Yeah, I might drink a little bit at it, sing a little bit of these working man blues. The song's for the working man right there.
Oh man, wow, man. Can you believe all this snow? It ain't just snow, man. It's like snow, ice, all kind of crazy crap. But we're gonna try to ease through here. We're gonna take it slow and easy. Yeah, this is what I was kind of thinking we were gonna see when we got up here. So we're just gonna try to work our way through it the best we can. Try to leave plenty of distance between us and the next vehicle in front of us. Just because when we put on the brakes, we may not stop. We may keep sliding. So we definitely want to leave some space between us and the next vehicle in front of us. Also, you definitely want to slow down. You know, don't even think about doing the speed limit. You're lucky if you can do half the speed limit. So we're just going to try to take it slow and easy. And we still got a little ways to go to get to where we got to deliver. Trying to kind of keep an eye on Google Maps. And at the same time, we try to keep an eye on the road. Because it ain't so much I have to worry about me slipping and spinning and sliding into somebody, as much as I have to worry about other people that spin out of control and slide into me, you know. So anyway you look at this, it's a dangerous situation. I don't know. You would think by now they'd be developed some kind of highway that has natural built-in heat or something that would automatically melt snow when it hits the pavement. Come on, man, NASA scientist. Y'all can do it. I know you can do it. You can do it. But, yeah. Man. Yeah, I'm a little nervous. I don't drive in this kind of weather very often. I'm more of a southern driver down south where ain't no snow. But, yeah, there's flashing lights over there now. Man. Yeah, it looks like we're going to have some stop traffic up ahead. According to Google Maps, so we'll see when we get up there. I know we got a couple more miles of this way we got to exit off to get over to where we're delivering. Still got a little ways to go. Ooh, tunnel, yay! How does snow get up under here? How the heck did it get snow in the daggum tunnel? Maybe it blows off the vehicles when they come by. like this with heavy snow and ice, and it'll just be flying up, big sheets of ice and just flying off of trucks, cars, and stuff like that. So you have to be careful. Man, that's a long tunnel. There we go. Now we're back at it. Yeah, the road looks a little better right here. But it's still kind of congested. Oh, back in the snow again. Alright, so I think our exit is up here ahead. I'm trying not to miss it. I'm trying to pay attention. I want to try to get as much of this the snow footage, driving in the snow, and how bad the weather is and everything up here. I thought, you know, this would definitely be something you want to get in a video. Yep, here we go. We're slowing down. I kind of figured it was coming. Ah, man, just creeping, man. Ugh. It probably won't be no better on some of the smaller streets either. Oh, crap. This is the ramp, ain't it? Yeah. Uh-oh. What's going on? What's going on? I think that car either stalled or slipping in the ice or something. Anyway, we're able to get around it. So happy to get my butt over here and get parked. Just let me get out all this snow and ice, Lord. I promise I won't come back no more this year when there's snow and ice. Yeah, Katie has a lot of loads coming up here myself, so I do a decent amount of these loads for her. Although this load here is a load of tires. Surely we're getting there. Man, we get there and get parked, I am not switching this truck off. We're gonna be idling all night. Try to keep the motor warm. Try to keep as much of the snow melting down off the truck as possible. Probably the island all night. Well, man. Alright. Tell me, get a chance, jump down in the comments and tell me your scariest snow driving incident. How many of my subscribers drive in snow every year? I imagine a lot of you folks probably live with a lot of snow. I live in Florida. We don't have that much snow. Drive me crazy trying to live up here and drive in this kind of weather all the time. Oh, man. section up. You'll have sections of it where it's good, clear, and plain, and then you'll have sections of it where it's like buried in snow. Those tires are all floor stacked, so yes, it's probably going to take them a couple hours to get me unloaded in the morning. I feel sorry for them, man. They're back there tossing those tires in that cold weather. Ooh, boy. Probably back there freezing their butts off. Yeah, we don't have much further to go, so we're going to go ahead and put it on autopilot and see if we can't get on over there. And we get a little bit closer, we'll check back with you guys. So we'll just keep it going, the video going, so you can see what it looks like trying to get back to where we're going.
And I'm tired, damn this knuckle busting, back breaking, no paying job, nowhere I'm going from here. Hot-headed women, cold beer, kick up my heels for a little while and do it country style in my dirty old hat with my crooked little grin, granny beaded neck and these calloused hands, in a muddy pair of jeans with that Copenhagen ring. No need to change a thing. Hey y'all, I'm going out with my boots on. How I keep catching her eye, man, I keep wondering why. Ain't nothing special about him, all shucks country boy. Lord, she's sure looking good, like something from Hollywood. She got me thinking that I just might leave here with her tonight. In my dirty old hat with my crooked little grin, granny beaded neck and these calloused hands, in a muddy pair of jeans with that Copenhagen ring. No need to change a thing. Hey y'all, I'm going out with my boots on. Because I am who I am, and that's the man I'm gonna be, yeah. And when the Lord comes calling, well, he ain't gonna have to holler, y'all. There'll be no trouble finding me. In my dirty old hat with my crooked little grin, granny beaded neck and these calloused hands, in a muddy pair of jeans with that Copenhagen ring. No need to change a thing. Hey y'all, I'm going out with my boots on. With my boots on. It's gonna take me home. Now with my boots on.
Oh boy, them better be some snow boots, man. Holy smokes. Yeah, look at this. This
Come to
is
Turbo.
crazy. Yeah, I've seen some wrecks. Some people slid out of control a few times. It's just, whew. I'm glad I don't live up here. That's all I can say. But anyway, we're almost to where we got to deliver. Just a little bit further down the road. We're going to get over here and spend the night at the receiver, and then get up in the morning, and they should get us unloaded and everything. And then we're going to leave there and head on over for our next load. And we'll talk about our next load in the next video. But we'll probably, because this video is running a little bit long, as soon as we get over here to the receiver, we'll probably just go ahead and end this video, and then we'll pick it up at the receiver in the next video. But I thought I'd at least go ahead and get us on over here to the receiver before we end the video. We're getting close. We're getting close. We're almost there. But yeah, it's man, I mean, I've driven in this stuff. You don't drive for 26 years in trucking and not drive in conditions like this at some point during your career. It's just, I'm not a big fan of it. You know, it's just, it's too easy to lose control and have a wreck. And it's just super dangerous, to be honest with you. Driving in these conditions is not safe by any means. So I try to avoid these areas, avoid these loads going in areas like this where the snow is terrible, where there's a lot of snow and ice. This load paid super good, and so that's why I took the load. And otherwise, I probably would have never took it going to a place like this with road conditions like you see here. I just, yeah, I would have never took this load if it wasn't a super good paying load. But we're almost there. As you can tell, there's a big truck. Yep, we're definitely in a industrial area. So we're gonna pull in here, and we got to make a left right here, and we're gonna pull on around, hang another left, and go around the building. It's gonna be tight. Actually, I should have turned about 50 yards before I turned initially, and I could have came in the back. If you look straight ahead, right up there straight ahead is the entrance back there. I could have came in back there. Now I'm stuck in the snow, so we're gonna have some fun seeing if Triple T can get unstuck out of the dadgum snow. We're just gonna have to rock it back and forth until we get out of here. But yes, we are stuck in the snow. So basically what I'm having to do is rock it back and forth. Well, I'm not really rocking it right now. I'm just going backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. I'm trying to get some traction so I can get through this dadgum snow and get around back. So it may take a minute or two. All right, so we're able to back up, and then we're going to get a running start at it and see if we can't bust through it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. There we go. Bust through it. Bust through it. All right, so we got through it. Let's see if we can get on around to the back, and we'll park around back here. And as soon as some people start coming in, we'll be able to go in and check in and figure out what dock they want us in. But you can see these are the docks that are spaced out, and you have to back in at an angle. So anyway, we're gonna pull on up here and see if we can park somewhere out of the way, and probably park up there behind that trailer in front of us. I think that guy's stuck in the snow up there too. So anyway, we'll do that, and we'll check back with y'all in a little bit. Bam! Just like that, we went from dark and snow to short sleeves in summer. Yeah. All right, so I'm editing this video and I'm looking at it and I'm like, golly, this is a long video because there's so much snow, there's so much stuff going on with this video, man. Holy crap, did you see the ride up there? That was insane. That was crazy. So we still got a lot of footage because we still got to get past this trailer that's parked in front of us. We got to check in with somebody. We got to get back into a dock. We got to get unloaded. So we got a lot of stuff left to do before this is completely finished on this load. But the video's running a little long, so I thought I'd go ahead and cut it short here. This will be part one, and we'll do part two, finishing up this load in the next video, and hopefully it won't take that long to finish it up since I already got most of it queued up to edit. So hopefully we'll get it out pretty soon. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know what was going on. But it was just a crazy ride up. I still remember it. It was crazy, all that snow and ice and stuff. But I hope you enjoyed the music. Had a lot of fun trying to put it together. And so anyway, just want to say thank you for everybody for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. I love that you guys check out my videos and watch my videos and stuff. It makes me feel really good knowing that so many people are subscribed to the channel and follow us and everything on YouTube. And it's really super cool. And I really do appreciate every one of you guys. You make this a lot of fun for me. So glad to be out of the snow and ice. As you can see, I made it out alive. But we'll finish up the rest of the video, or part 2 of the video. We'll get that out to you as soon as we can. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, jump down and click the like button. If you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And make sure to ring that little bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So you guys stay safe, stay warm. Don't give up, keep moving forward. And always keep punching.